poppin'? It's your boy Fawn. Today we made, well not today, but the day we recorded the video, we made hoodies. And to make these hoodies, you're finna need about 2 yards of fabric, a hoodie that you like the fit of to trace, the slightest little bit of pattern paper, like enough for your head, you know, to make the hood, and some scissors and something to sew it up with. But yeah, let's get into it. And the next video I got for y'all is some pants. And these pants are crazy. I really like these pants. I don't know if y'all like them, but I really like them a lot. And we just gonna show y'all this technique and this technique on the pants. But that's coming as soon as I can get it done. But yeah, let's get into the hoodies. All right, so you just wanna lay your fabric down and lay the hoodie that you want to cut out on top of the fabric and cut the torso with about an inch extra seam allowance. This is a technique I use to keep it symmetrical. And after that, just cut the collar out. And now you want to sew or serge up the shoulders. I'm serging it because I'm working with a knit, but you can just sew if you're working with regular fabric. All right, and I'm drawing my sleeve from scratch because I didn't want to cut up some of the hoodie, but you can just cut out the sleeve and put the sleeve down and trace it just as well as you did the torso. And don't be like me and accidentally cut out 4 sleeves. But now you want to attach your sleeves to the sleeves holes and pin them at the center. And just serge them on, attach both sleeves. And now you should just be able to close up the sleeve in the side and serge it all the way down. The arm all the way down the body. All right, and to make the hoods, you just want to take a hood that you like the shape of and trace it. And once you trace it, you're gonna have to cut it out and then cut out 4 of those. And once you got 4 of those, you want to attach, take 2 and 2 and attach them at the back and the top. And then once you have 2, you want to put them together and then pin them at the center seam and just sew them closed. And now that you got a hood, you just want to pin however you want it to fit the sweater and just, sew it on, serge it on, however you feeling. Basically, this is how the final look came out. It was for my lady friend and she wanted it cropped, so I did that. And I kept the sleeves pretty long, so you can either roll them up, have them long, or scrunch them up. Kind of how stacked jeans fit on your arms, I don't know. Made the hood really big. Overall, I'm just really satisfied with this hoodie. I made plenty of hoodies, but I don't know, this one has the wow factor.